Welcome back. Now we are going to start the discussion about the protocols for this sensor network. As we have already completed the physical layer and MAC layer. So mostly the standardized protocols which are adopted in the sensor network, they work on the physical and MAC layer. The rest of the layer are left on the designer. So in this way, we can have two categories of the wireless protocol. One is non-IP based and second one is the IP based. Normally, for the small sensor network application for a limited area, we prefer the non-IP based wireless personal area network protocols. Out of that, Bluetooth is the standardized IEEE standard protocol, and Zigbee and Z-Wave are the proprietary protocols. If now our application is span over a wider area, or multiple parameters like smart city applications, where we have more number of parameters and our area is quite big, then we take help of the IP based WPAN protocol. So it has very nice connection of the sensor network with the Internet of Things. So with the help of say 6LoWPAN, where IPv6 is used, so even the smallest device can have a separate address. And this 802.11 or Wi-Fi that is used where the base station wants to communicate with the outside world, or as I told, our area of application is very large, then the Bluetooth may not be sufficient, so we have to switch over to the Wi-Fi protocol. So first we start with the IEEE 802.15.4. So this is a very standardized protocol which defines the physical and the MAC layer. All these Thread, Zigbee, 6LoWPAN, wireless HART, large number of protocols are there, either IP based or non-IP based, but they have the same physical and MAC layer as it is defined by 802.15.4. The upper layers are left to the designer. So we have already studied the physical and the MAC layer. So now this is the right time to study the physical and MAC layer of a very standardized IEEE 802.15.4 protocol. So on the physical layer, we have the variety of 20 kbps data rate over one channel, that is in the range of 868 MHz to 860.6 MHz. If we switch over to 905 to 928 MHz unlicensed band, then 40 kbps data rate over 10 channels can be obtained. So mainly the Zigbee or Z-Wave, those proprietary protocol, they are operated in this band of frequencies. 2.4 GHz, which is very commonly used, it can provide the data rate in the range of 250 kbps and 16 channels are there. So the frequency hopping is used, as we have already discussed in the physical layer protocol. And now we will discuss from the networking perspective that when a network is made, there are two categories of the devices as defined by this protocol, where it is a full functional device or a reduced functional device. So now in the subsequent classes we will see that what are the functionalities of the full functional device, then what is the difference between reduced function and full function, which topologies are supported by this protocol.